The anticipation in the photography community has reached a near fever pitch over Sony's next major camera launch. Often referred to in rumor circles as the Sony A7V or Sony A75. For months now, whispers and leaks have floated through forums, social media, and insider sources. While Sony has not confirmed anything officially, many credible leaks suggest a possible unveiling later in 2025, around October or November, and a slew of upgrades that could push the A7 line further into the hybrid, photo plus video mainstream. Rather than being a radical reinvention, what's emerging from the rumor mill suggests a more evolutionary, but still meaningful upgrade path. In this deep dive, I'll walk through everything that's circulating: the sensor, autofocus, video capabilities, ergonomics, pricing expectations, and what this might mean for creators. Throughout, I'll also sprinkle in broader industry context and possible challenges. Multiple sources suggest Sony is targeting a Q4 2025 window for announcing the next generation A7 model. October or November are frequently mentioned. This aligns with Sony's historical rhythm of releasing major mirrorless upgrades in the latter half of the year to catch holiday sales. However, some rumors hint at delays. Parts shortages, supply chain disruptions, or final firmware polish could push official announcement into late fall or even December. Given the life cycle of the current A7 series models and Sony's pattern of overlapping generations, this timing seems plausible. After nearly 3 years since the A7 IV or A74 launch, the community is primed for something new. The A7 line has long been Sony's all-rounder series, situated between the high-resolution A7R series, for photographers pushing pixel counts, and the video-centric A7S/FX/Cinema line for filmmakers. The A7 is for creators who demand strong stills and solid video without stepping into ultra-specialized or ultra-premium territory. The speculative A7V/A75 is rumored to continue that middle ground identity, but with enhancements that narrow the gap between what the A7 can do versus what the A7R or A7S can do, while still retaining balanced usability and price competitiveness. One consistent thread in insider leaks is that Sony will refine the ergonomics. Reports indicate a slightly larger grip, improved tactile surfaces, and better hand comfort for extended shooting, with an eye toward addressing criticisms from long-handled sessions. Also expected is a tougher chassis, possibly heightened weather sealing, more robust magnesium alloy components, and improved internal shielding against dust, moisture, and temperature extremes. An exciting rumor is that the next model will support dual card slots, combining CF Express Type A/CF Express with SD, UHS-2/UHS-3/V90 compatibility. This hybrid slot architecture gives shooters flexibility: fast, high-bandwidth cards for demanding video shoots or burst sequences, and ubiquitous SD cards for quick backups or casual use. This setup could reduce pain points for hybrid creators who juggle large video files and still image bursts.